Hi guys, today I want to show how to use the while loop in Python. So the first step is need to open the Anaconda application in your computer. So need to type to the search the Anaconda, and here is this application, and just click to run this. So when run, we need to open the Jupyter notebook. So click to launch. And for example, in this browser, for example, the Edge will open and need to create a new notebook in Python 3. So the previous video where um, we learn about the loop. So, for example, if you want to print the console, um, for the number from 1 to, for example, the 9, so need to create a for loop. So for um, it is a variable, for example, in range 1 and 10, and here need to print this variable, this 6. So if you run, this is the this is the numbers. So to change the for loop for the while loop, for example, we so this first step is to need to declare a variable, and we need to start from 1, and here need to write so the while if e is less than 10, print e, and here we need to increment this I variable, so or the loop will continue the forever. So need to increment this, so I plus equal 1, and if you run, the result is the same. For example, here if you write this, so e is equal to 1, while I is less than, for example, this 10, and here if you want to print, for example, from the 3 to 9, here we need to write an if when I is greater than or equal 3. Okay. Here we need to write print I. Okay, and here we need to increment this variable. Yeah, and in the console will appear from 3 to 9. So thank you for watching, and see you later.